It has a gyro system, which means pretty much it's very, very simple to fly. So this should be fun. It has a low power alarm, so if you do hear an alarm going off, fly it back before you lose it. Okay, 3 channels, 14 ages plus. But at the end of the video, I will show you everything that come in the box, and I do show you how to put it, or how to put the battery in it. But it comes fully assembled. You don't have to do nothing. Only thing you have to do is put some batteries in the remote control. So let's get this thing fired up, and my boy's gonna fly this. So you got an on-off switch here, and I show you at the end too on what all these buttons do. So that is on. That gave a beep. And then there's a little power button here on top. I think I hold this in.
Maybe you just gotta click it.
Maybe I just click it. Oh, there we go. Okay. You just click that button and wait. Okay, here you go.
Did you have to click it or hold it?
I think I just clicked that button and then it turned on. All right, another thing I think we will show you real quick though. Once we're done flying this in the river here and in the water, you can use this and you don't have to have water, but you'll end up throwing it with your hand. We'll take it off right here in the water. I don't know. Yeah. Here we go. And up. See how easy it was? Don't hit them power wires.
Yeah.
I didn't think of that. Where's it at? Oh. I'm hoping it.
Turns good.
Yeah. Don't hit the power wires.
It was going up by itself.
Oh my gosh, Patrick.
What?
You went right through the power wires, didn't you?
No, I did.
Oh, you didn't?
I'm pretty sure that was below.
Oh.
I cannot tell at all though.
He's coming down. Oh, nice landing.
Gotta go this way.
Oh.
I land. I don't know what else. What much else is on me to do in the air.
Nice. Whoa.
That's great.
It's going like straight up in the air. Are you doing that?
No.
Well, you can fly it really slow. That's probably it for that battery. You got to put a new battery in. You want to keep flying. All right, we got the low power mode on, so we got to call her a day. Our low power mode went on. Now we do have a second battery, so I could pull that out and fly this a little bit more. But I think the more you go in and out of the water like that, it kind of chews up some of your power. And we kept trying to kind of hit the water and take off just because I think it's kind of fun to do that anyway. But well, if you want to continue watching, I will show you everything that came in the box and how to open this up and put the battery in and everything like that. This is everything that come in the box with the DRC amphibious airplane. It's 14 ages plus, 3-channel remote, gyro system, which makes that a gyro system on an airplane makes it so this is very, very simple to fly. Has a low power alarm, so you don't fly and then it just dies on you. So when it starts beeping at you, bring it back. Pretty much no. It tells you everything here about the remote. Oh, you have left. You do have trim too, elevator trim and left trim. But I'll show you everything else here on the remote. The left button on the front says no function. The right button says speed switch. So now they're talking about right here. That's the speed switch. So that's probably going to just change your speed. Let me show you this remote so I don't forget. So if you push this forward, the left one forward, it's going to make you go faster and slower. So when you want to take off, you're going to push this forward, take the one on the right, pull it back. And that will make the aircraft go up in the air. All right, and then it's kind of the opposite. You go slower. You want to go down, you push forward. And that's going to make it start to dive, okay? And then steering is just right here, right or left. That's pretty much it with the remote. Very, very simple. And then if you are kind of going up or down or right or left too much, you can use these buttons, but don't mess with them buttons unless you have to adjust how it's flying. And then there's an on and off button. And then in the back, you do need 3 AAA batteries. That's the only thing you're going to have to get. Everything else comes with it. And it does come with a screwdriver here, 2 extra props. All right, this is the plane. Here's the batteries. It comes with 2 batteries, okay, and a charger. This is a little charger. And that a light in here will blink when that's charging. Let me see here. When the light on here goes off, that means the battery's fully charged. Okay, so you have 2 batteries. And here's the plane. And they all come foam like this. But they're pretty, like, I've wrecked planes like this multiple times and nothing ever breaks because they're so light. You can't make them out of steel or they're not going to fly. Right, here's where the battery's going to go. Let's see what happens. So you can put the battery in. Now if I turn that on, it's probably going to turn on. So I'm not going to turn the controller on right now. There we go, like that. Looks like there's a power button right there. And the remote is on the bottom side of this foam, if you didn't find the remote. All right, that's everything that comes in the box. So